Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to make your site private in Squarespace. This is Squarespace official website, and to make your site private, first click on login, then fill in your email address and password, then hit login again. From this page, click on this website button below your desired website. From the bottom of this left side menu, click on settings. Then go to site availability, select private. By selecting private, only contributors can see this website. Click on save. Now let's verify that my site is really private. Go to domains and email, click on domains. This is my domain name. Let's click on it. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, so how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. My current domain name, first select it, then visit it in the incognito mode to avoid seeing it as a contributor. And as you can see, this website on Squarespace is private. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. Thank you.